Okay, anyway, so to get the baskets out, all you do is pop these up, pull them out. Then we need to go clean them. So I'm going to take them both out right now. And we're going to take these over by the hose and just squirt them out. So let's do that. Here we go, going over to the hose. We got the hose on the other side of the area here by the grass. And I don't think they're going to be that dirty, to tell you the truth. But we got to get them clean, right? So anyway, here we are. And now I got to get my hose. Turn her on. I'm going to put it on shower. And then, and then to open it, just pop it here. You can see there's junk in there, right? So let's get that out of there. That one's pretty clean, right? All right, we'll set that one over here. Get our other one, right? We got to open it up. Oh, look, more stuff. Sometimes it gets behind there, so you got to... You might have to do it like this. All right, looking pretty good. All right, so you gotta, if you look, sometimes it gets behind this, so you may have to get a little bit more force water down there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on full, like this, and then get in there to get that out. You see? Same thing with this one. I think there might be some in there. All right, I think that's it, man. I think we got them clean. All right, so anyway, this is where they go, right in here, and you can see there's two sides to it. And so what we have to do is close them up, just like that. And then you're gonna see they can only go one way, right? So you see how this one's on this side, and that's on that side. I want to mash that up. So that one's gonna go there, okay? And then the other one, I'm just going to close it, and you can see where the thing is. You see how it's a little bit to the left? So you got to make sure that you get them in the right spot. But that's it right there. Bam, done. Now we can just roll everything up, put it away.